Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring data is safe. Back up to iCloud or to a computer now. Once done, make sure you know the old Apple ID and password, plus recovery email or phone. You must turn off Find My iPhone before removing the account. Go to Settings, tap your name, select Find My, and toggle it off. If prompted, enter the Apple ID password to disable activation lock. This step prevents being locked out and allows account removal and transition to a new ID. Now you create the new Apple ID directly on the iPhone. Go to Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone, then select Create Apple ID. Follow prompts for name and birth date so Apple can set age-appropriate settings. You can use an existing email or get a free iCloud email. Pick what you can access. Create a strong password and complete security questions. Verify the account via the emailed link or SMS code so your ID is active and can be used for App Store and iCloud. Finally, sign out of the old Apple ID in Settings if you haven't already, and sign in with the new Apple ID so iCloud, App Store, and Messages link to the correct account. When prompted, choose whether to merge contacts, calendars, and data to iCloud or keep them locally. Merging syncs items across devices. Make sure App Store purchases under the old ID remain accessible if needed. Troubleshooting tip. If sign-in fails, reset network settings. Reboot the phone and use iForget. Apple, to recover passwords.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.